How to schedule Facebook post on Android Meta Business Guides. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can schedule your post on Facebook. So for that, simply open Facebook. Now here you guys will simply click on what's in your mind. Here you guys will simply write whatever you want to write. Also you guys can add a photo or video, so I will simply write okay. Now here you guys will see public album of AI label off. So it's upon you. If your post is AI, simply turn on AI label. Now here you guys will simply click on public. Once we click on public, here you guys can see public, friends, specific, friends, only me. So simply click on public. Now click on next. Once we click on next, here you guys will simply click again on next. Now here you guys can see post audience who can comment scheduling options. So simply click on scheduling options. Here you guys will simply click on schedule for letter. Now select the date. For example, I want to schedule to 21. Now select the time. After that, click on OK. Now back. Here you guys will simply click on post, and once you click on post, that's it. Your post will be scheduled on that exact time that you selected. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.